Jesus, our divine companion, by your lowly human birth, you have come to join the workers, burden bearers of the earth. You, the carpenter of Nazareth, toiling for your daily food, by your patience and your courage, you have taught us work is good. Where the many toil together, there you are among your own. Where the solitary labor, you are there with them alone. You, the peace that passes knowledge, dwelling in the daily strife. You, the bread of heaven unbroken in the sacrament of life. Every task, however simple, sets the soul that does it free. Every deed of love and kindness done to man is done to thee. Jesus, our divine companion, help us all to work our best. Bless us in our daily labor, lead us to our Sabbath